Yeah, don't interrupt my intros like that, John. Jeez. Sorry. Well, welcome back, everybody. How's it going? We're back with this thing. So real quick, I left it aired up overnight, and I left it aired up last night, and it aired all the way down. But I'm assuming it's because of the gauge. There's that exit port, so it probably all leaked out through there. That's my assumption. Not 100% sure, but I did figure out the whole wiring with the module. So hopefully I should get that today, and this should be good to go. Other than that, I still need some lining, which I'm kind of confused on, but we'll figure it out definitely. John's over here washing the chum bucket. Alright, so I hit up one of my buddies, and I had asked him about the whole idea with the compressor. It stops on its own, and I asked him, oh, well, the bags are filling up as it goes. Should the bags filling up? Be like, no, you didn't wire something right, or you didn't do something right. They shouldn't air up. So I figured out what I did wrong. It was with the switches. So I had to redo almost everything, the lines, and I got the switches right there lined up for each bag. So this is gonna fill up without the bags going up or anything. So that's how it should go essentially. So we'll see right now. Tools.
Look.
We got it. Hell yeah. High five. Yeah, I got it. So here, can you record this real quick? So I'm just gonna
Give it front. Front. Watch out, Jordan.
hold on. Hell yeah. Now the rear, it's the rear. Woo, lowrider! Hell yeah. Hella excited. I got that going. I was having trouble routing the insides, the switches, but I got them. Okay, so basically what's going on is the switches are set up for a certain way. If you don't set them up the certain way, they're not gonna work out. But basically these are the lines going through, and this is the switches right here. So it's up, down. So same with the front, up, down. So I got that. And now the rear, show your light running. And now it's just filling up right there. I have this connected for right now, only because I don't know where I'm connecting the on and off switch or whatever. But I know I'm connecting those to these hoses, so I'm gonna get another valve or whatever you call it, a little three-way kind of deal from Home Depot. But yeah, I got it. I did it all by myself. No help from nobody else, like a big manufacturer, like, you know, that needs to install. I think fairly for the S2000 it was pretty easy, other than just like kind of setting everything up, but the relays is also easy. If you ever need help, just comment down below and I'll definitely help you out. Try to comment to you, or like, but definitely pretty easy. Super excited. I got it going with the module. So there's the battery. This is for the switch, the air switch, the ground, and the compressor. And then this is for like the key, like a key to start, like the key ignition. So it'll only turn on when I have the key on the on position. So right now, this whole thing is airing up. It aired back up. I need to see what I'm at. I'm at 120. I don't know how high or how much this is. I'm at 120. Yeah, I was at 120. I don't know what's the max though. That's the thing. I'm like, I feel dirty. I don't think I'm dirty, but I got done with the whip. So that's that. The bags are working fine. We're actually test driving it right now, so and then I'll do the overnight test, and then we'll see. But anyways, that was on how to install the airbags on the S2000. If you have any questions, let me know, comment me, DM me, whatever you want to do, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can, just because I know I didn't have that much help, but I got around it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.